Detail World, what it do, man. We done made it to this first stop today out here in Belmead, Tennessee. We about to go ahead and do this Jaguar F-Pace right now. Right now I'm just working on the exterior, take advantage of the sun while the sun is out.
It would turn into sunshine.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like 60-something degrees. So on that note, man, we got a few appointments. I think I got 2 here, 2 at the next stop, and then 1 more after that, then we done. But it's a beautiful day. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick glimpse of the car. If you look at the tires are pretty dirty. You know what I mean? I forgot my camera stand today, so the camera might be a little wobbly in my hand. But give you a quick glimpse of the interior. The car's a little dirty in here too. So we're gonna get in here and spruce it up. Make sure we get these carpets nice and vacuumed. Make sure we wipe down all these panels and this plastic in here. Make sure we get the seats nice and wiped and vacuumed, things like that. Get all the trash. Make sure we get all the trash that's in here, things like that. But also wipe down the doors. You know, that's a part of the cleaning. And then also when you get in the front, you also got to make sure you wipe down the panels, things like that. Wipe down the dashboard and panels and cup holders and steering wheel, things like that. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Like I said, it's nothing we can't handle over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. We take so much pride in what we do over here. And on that note, like always, man, stay persistent, stay consistent, relentless, and you know, do your job. Stick to the script, man. Remember, it's all about being determined. Determination builds characteristics. And on that note, like always, man, I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do. We finally got the Jaguar completely done, man, in and out. I parked it over here so I can put out the next vehicle, but we got the car completely done. If you look at the wheels, look like they were dirty. You know what I mean? But if you look at the inside too, it's pretty clean. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the other car, man. And on that note, we're gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We done finished this second car today, which is this Dodge Ram TRX. I know I didn't give you any shots of what the car looked like prior to, but we got the whole car done, in and out, windows, wheels. We already finished. Just go ahead and park, you get paid. Head to the next stop of the day, man. But on that note, like always, man, we take so much pride in what we do. And like I tell you, take pride in whatever you're doing in life, man, because you only get one life to live, man. So you gotta make sure you put all your eggs in one basket, man. Cause remember, you can always create more eggs and you can always make a new basket. But on that note, next stop probably about 5-10 minutes away from here, but I'm gonna get these kids something to eat. So like always, man, be determined. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, we done made it to this next stop, which is this BMW right now, man. We completely done with the car. Got the car completely done in and out, man. We kind of rushing because she said she got to be gone by a certain amount of time, but car came out fine. We had to do a basic on the interior, exterior of the car, but like always, car come out fine. We take so much pride in what we do over here. So on that note, man, like always, you know what I mean, stay dedicated, man. You know, and if you're new to the channel, man, first and foremost, why don't you hit that subscribe button, man. Let me know that y'all, you know, here. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We still at this second stop, man. We doing the second car here, which is a Mercedes-Benz. I'm not 100% what model this is. I know it's a GLS. This is a GLS 450, so it's a big boy 450. But if you look at the wheels, kind of dirty. You can quick glimpse of that. Pretty dirty, but she says pretty dirty in the interior. She says something about soccer and stuff like that, but you already see it, man. You know, the stuff like this is crazy, man. They don't understand that stuff like this costs more. You know, y'all think I'm gonna just get over here and just be out here just playing with y'all. Nah, man, I might start charging y'all for this stuff, man. This stuff right here takes my time, and it actually makes my job a little bit more harder. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Nothing we can't handle over here. So on that note, man, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. So stay positive. And on that note, like always, man, peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We done finished this GLS 450 Mercedes-Benz, man. We got the car done. About to head to the next stop right now. We're just probably about 5-10 minutes from here. But it ain't gonna take me too long to get there. Like I said, forgot to grab my camera stand, so the cam may be a while. But if you remember what the wheels look like, they had that brown brake dust look, but they nice and clean now. You remember the interior of the car had all the hay, had all the debris in here. We definitely got all of it up. So we about to go ahead and head to the last stop of the day, man. Go knock this last car out. It's a new customer. Say they got a Mercedes, got an old school BMW they want me to take care of. So I'm about to go ahead and take care of this Mercedes, this BMW. But like always, man, got back here. But we take pride in whatever we do, man. So on that note, man, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this last stop of the day, man. Still out here in Belmead, Tennessee. All that costs is all the Belmead. But if you look, before we even show you the interior, hey, stop! You look at this brake dust, it is woo, 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 woo. Like that's like, look at that. That's like a super extra. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look how hard I had to rub to get to that. That's how deep that dirt brush. So they let you know this car have never been cleaned. I can tell this is literally at least about 2-3 years of brake dust build up, especially when you look in the inside. Look at how thick that is. Like, that's crazy. And then you can tell this car never been detailed at all. When you look at the interior of the car, it definitely have not been taken care of, you know what I mean? So it's definitely gonna have to get in here and do a little work. You know what I mean? She want me to do a detail on this car, so I'm gonna go ahead and detail it up. And by the way, it's a 2010, so the car is 13 years old. So if you can tell, if we've never been taking there 13 years of dirt. Same over here, you know what I mean? Just dirt over here too. So we're gonna get over here and knock this dirt out, clean the seats, do what we can do best, man. You already know how we do it, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So we're gonna go ahead and get in here, do what we have to do, wipe down cup holders, throw away trash, get to the back. And even on the exterior of the car, if you look, it got a big coat of, so, you know, that's actually algae buildup. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, y'all. Like I said, we're doing this BMW right now. This is a BMW 328i. And on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Man, we didn't finish this last car today, which is this BMW 330i. Took a little time to get it right because it was a little dirty, if y'all recall. It literally had a bunch of stuff on the exterior of the paint. And then it had a bunch of stuff in the inside of the car. But the car came out well. You know what I mean? It came out to the best that we can definitely get it. But we definitely gonna let her come out and look at the car, see what she think of the car. Hopefully she impressed with the work. If not, I'm not sure what to tell her because this is a 13-year-old car and it was never taken care of. So that's what happened when you don't take care of these things. But on that note, man, we finished for the day. We're about to get ready and head to the house. You know, call it a day. It's been a beautiful day today. Got a lot of work done. But on that note, like always, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace.